I am Gianluca Fantozzi. I am the EMEA Region Technical Manager for the aftermarket. I work in Deyco since 27 years now.
My name is Tanatilla and I'm Regional Manager of Deyco company.
I'm here to support our sales colleague to give a good training to the friends of Goldwagen.
This is a Deyco timing belt kit with water pump. It's offered as a complete solution to change most of the essential parts in the timing drive of the engine.
If you do not a complete replacement, the weaker element that remain can fail, and then you are forced to make a second time the same activity, replacing everything as well. This is the timing belt. This is the key element of the system. It is made of rubber, fiberglass, and this special is a Teflon coated film on the teeth that ensure much more durability.
So the second part in the timing belt kit with water pump is the timing tensioner.
It has a spring inside that help control dynamically the tension of the belt. The moment when you push on the pedal, on the accelerator pedal, there are different kind of torque on the engine, and so changes the torque of the engine and the tension of the belt.
The third important part of the timing belt kit with water pump is the water pump. So it regulates the water flow to keep the coolant properly fluctuated in the engine.
It is usually provided with a gasket or with a seal that should be used. No additional paste, sealant paste is needed, because this is enough. It has been studied to work perfectly.
The next parts are the pulleys and idlers. These parts do not have a tensioning function, but they are important to keep the belt in the proper shape inside the application.
The important key is that they are provided with wheel bearings. Deyco is progressively replacing the supplying of gas, which are needed to produce steam, high pressure vapor. This is important because we can in this way reduce the impact of the production of our product against the environment.
We are focusing on sustainability because we want to ensure that we are able to pass this globe to the next generation as we took it from our ancestors. Everything we do, we would like to make sure that we can do it for centuries to come.
Thank you for having us.
And remember to look for our parts in the nearest Goldwagen store.